Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. Today in this video, I'll be explaining how to make a field editable in ALV report. Okay, go to ABAP editor, that is SC38 transaction. Just open the report. Just go to the field in the field catalog to which field needs to be edited. Okay. Here in this program, I want to make this field as editable. This is a field catalog. So here, to make this field editable, the work area of the field catalog, you need to write hyphen and control space. Then you can get the some component structures. You can find edit here. Just make it as X. So that this field will be editable in the output. Okay, just save, check and activate. Now when you execute it, this is not mandatory, so I just executed it. See, stock quantity field will be editable. 1 2 3, all these fields will be editable, but not, see, these other fields are disabled. These fields we can't be edited. Only the stock quantity can be edited, as we have given a edit column over there. See, these can't be edited, only this can be edited. In the next video I'll show you how to save the edited data. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.